Hello English learners, welcome back to our channel where we make a step toward mastering English with every lesson. Now see with me these phrases. I have a cat named Tom. Is it right or wrong? What about this one? The capital of France is Paris. Is it right or wrong? And where is the errors in this one? My birthday is in September. If you want to know the right answers, you have to watch this video till the end. In this lesson, we'll see capital letters, common nouns, and proper nouns. What is capital letters? Uppercase letters, also known as capital letters, are the larger form of letters in the alphabet. They are typically used at the beginning of sentences, proper nouns, and for emphasis. Example: A, B, C, etc. Uppercase letters are often employed to highlight importance, create distinction, or convey formality in written communication. When I use capital letters, names and titles of people: Nelson Mandela, the Queen of England, the President of Algeria. Titles of books, plays: Little Dorrit, A Midsummer Night's Dream. The months of the year: April, October. The seasons are not capitalized: summer, autumn. The days of the week: Sunday, Thursday. Holidays: Christmas, New Year's Day, Eid al-Adha, Thanksgiving Day. Religions: Islam, Christianity. Names linked to geography: names of countries and continents: Africa, England, Egypt. Names of regions, states: Sussex, Mecca, Doha. Names of cities, villages: London, Cape Town, Rome. Names of rivers, oceans, lakes: the Atlantic, Lake Leman, the Nile, the Euphrates. Names of geographical formation: the Himalayas, the Alps, the Sahara. Adjectives of nationality: Tunisia, Tunisian food; Australia, Australian animals. Names of streets, buildings, parks: Park Lane, Center Avenue, Palm Mall. We always mark the pronoun I with a capital letter. What is common noun? Common nouns are words used to name general items, people, places, or things that are not specific or unique. They refer to categories or classes of entities rather than individual instances. Common nouns are not capitalized unless they appear at the beginning of sentence. Example of common noun: dog, city, book, and car. What is proper noun? Proper nouns are specific names used to identify particular people, places, organizations, or things. Proper nouns refer to unique individuals or entities. Proper nouns are always capitalized, regardless of their position in the sentence. Example of proper nouns: John, Paris, Google, and Eiffel Tower. And now we'll have a quick test. It is better to use a notebook or grab a piece of paper. Read each sentence carefully and determine if any words need to be capitalized. Rewrite the sentence with the correct capitalization if necessary. Phrase 1. I have a cat named Tom. And here is the correction. We have I and T. Phrase 2. My favorite color is blue. And this is the correction. We have M. Phrase 3. The capital of France is Paris. And this is the correction. We have T, F, and P. Phrase 4. My birthday is in September. And this is the correction. We have M and S. Phrase 5. I enjoy reading books by J.K. Rowling. And this is the correction. We have I, J, K, and R. Phrase 6. We live on Oak Street. And this is the correction. We have W, O, and S. Phrase 7. I love eating pizza on Fridays. And this is the correction. We have I and F. Phrase 8. My favorite movie is The Lion King. And this is the correction. We have M, T, R, and K. Phrase 9. Last summer we went to Disneyland. And this is the correction. We have L and D. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and drop a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and see you next time.